It's a colorful world, colors in every direction, intersecting while projecting thoughts into different dimensions. Dark color limited beings, spreading negative tension that's affecting positive people's senses. This world's covered in fences, putting people in place like grip dust or wrenches, stenches coming from homeless as productive hands clenches, henchmen, higher powers turning athletes into benchmen. Let's give a shout and a mention. All the junkies that got clean, regaining their senses, taking back control, cleaning dirt off of their lenses. But then they get a little money, drive Benzes, while it's still unfortunate, a lot low in trenches. Tensions get higher as people get older and have no pensions.
I see no soul in the mirror, only see signs of demise getting nearer. Time heals wounds, it's absurd as a theorem, but I can see above the skies getting clearer. And though despair of things before will never leave, although our past mistakes can never be retrieved, way out in the distance is a vessel on the seas, and I'ma set ahead and toward the sun, cause I believe that I can get it back. Oh, that hope and that joy, that trust and that care, those dreams of a boy, I can get it back. Oh, that love and that worth, that touch of a flare, that feel of the earth, I can get it back. That drive to extreme, that confidence to lead, that willingness to bleed, I will get it back. Reassembled when I'm done, depression on the run as I come beating on these drums. This isn't gone, I can get it back, I can get it back. This isn't gone, I can get it back.
Before I came to Windward, my life was hectic, it was evil, disgraceful. I was always trying to find peace within myself. I didn't like who I was. I didn't like where I was going. I didn't like the people I was around. I just had a broken soul and a broken heart.
Before I came into Windward, I was lost, and spiritually I was just dead. I didn't care about anything. I had nobody. I was constantly just worried about myself, and nobody else mattered, nothing else mattered. I felt so broken, so lonely, and it was just a dark place, a very dark place.
Well, it was lonely. I had a lot of people around me, but I didn't feel connected to living with untreated alcoholism. You take a few steps forward and 10 steps back, always trying to catch up. It's dark. Hopeless at times, helpless a lot. It's an ongoing battle of me against me.
I couldn't even keep a job. I was useless to my loved ones. I was useless to myself. I came to a realization that either I was gonna die using and drinking, or I was gonna get sober, and those were the only two things that was gonna happen. So I chose to get sober because I want to live.
Oh Lord, live inside me, lead me on my way. Oh Lord, live inside me, lead me on my way, lead me home.
I didn't believe there was a solution. I was just gonna live this life that I was living and just die doing it. Nothing I want to go back to now.
Right now, my family, they think of me as a disgrace. My friends, all they thought, I was the worst. They thought I was so overboard with it. They knew I was better than that. I couldn't see it for myself.
I would always see my father high, drunk, and he was just a total wreck in and out of prison. When he wasn't in prison, he was pretty much homeless, and I always said to myself, I would never be like that.
Lead me home, lead me home. I'm willing, yeah, I'm able, but I've been raising Cain.
Since I've gotten to Catalina Island, I feel connected, like spiritually, mentally, physically. I'm alive, I'm awake. I can look at the choices I've made and the choices I'm making now and not regret, but be glad and be grateful that I made it this far, made it to this point.
So wash me in
Catalina, for me, is the point where I made that 180 point for me where I've truly came to terms with God. I feel like my heart is finally like put back together. I feel like it saved my life.
Change, Lord, I've changed. Man, I used to be. Hurt you, found.
Just so happens this present moment holds a lot more hope and a lot more love and be loved. The opportunity to care, the opportunity to have trust from people was something I never had when I was out there doing my thing. I'm here on this island with, a bunch of brothers, a bunch of people that I love and care about now that I'm gonna have for the rest of my life to talk to and to express myself to and open up to, and I never had that before, and that's something that I'm forever grateful for.
Great experience. Definitely a bonding experience. Got to know a lot of the guys, and we had a lot of fun. It's really awesome to enjoy a trip like this sober, because I haven't really experienced many trips, many vacations in my life sober. So it was a great experience.
Ain't it always